Hello, welcome back to my channel Think Digital. So today I'm gonna be showing you how you recover your number WhatsApp from the ban. Yes, with the 3 step in the easy way. Let's go directly to our subject. So let me explain to you how you can do it easy and faster. So first of all, go to your email. I will let this email in the description. You will use it to get your number back from the ban. So this is the official email WhatsApp support. You will use it to get your number back. So like what I'm doing here, I just send them a simple message. Easy way. Easy one. So let me show you this one. I'm trying here to get back two number with a different ID. You see different number, you see them, and I get them back faster with the time to 2 hour, the maximum like this. Let me show you another example here. If you see, and I get them back again. I use this way so many times, not 3 or 5 times, so many times, and all the time I get faster answer and easy way to get my number back. So I hope you to get this way to get your number back, and don't forget to make subscribe for my channel, and see you to the next video.